You guys, so I always have to add some type of perfume. Oh my god, too much before I go to work. So yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys, so this is my outfit for today. I'm just gonna be wearing this since I get off early today. I'm gonna wear some flats for shoes, and yeah, you guys, let's go. Good morning, guys. So today is actually Friday Eve. I'm gonna definitely try to vlog all day. So like right now it's 8:44. I'm going at work at 9 o'clock. I'm definitely not a morning person, so I don't know if you guys can hear it from my voice. I'm a little tired still. Like if I could keep sleeping, I definitely would. But yeah, you guys, I'm trying to like hurry up because I'm been obsessed with Starbucks, you guys, lately, which is not good because I just went like the past 2 days. Yeah, you guys, like I've been going there for the past 2 days, so not good. But yeah, definitely want to go. I want to go get a matcha iced tea matcha, yeah, iced tea matcha with the cinnamon raisin bagel with cream cheese. I've been obsessed with those, you guys. So yeah, and today I get off early, so I'm super excited. I love like Thursdays because I get off early. So yeah, today we're thinking of going to the beach, this little beach by my house with my sister, my niece. It's supposed to rain later, so hopefully it doesn't, so we can go to the little beach. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later. I came to pick up my sister. We already picked her up, and my niece, she's ready to go. We're on our way to this little beach.
She took forever, guys.
But yeah, you guys, we're about to be there, and I feel like I didn't even bring my swimsuit because I wasn't planning on going to getting inside the water. But now, like
the sun came out.
Yeah, it was cloudy earlier, but now the sun's out.
And it's 90 something Fahrenheit. What is it?
It's like 90 degrees.
90 degrees
Yeah.
outside. And it says it feels like 103.
Yeah.
So I told her to bring her bathing suit, but she don't want to.
Yeah, she didn't listen to us, and she wants to tan. She wanted it to.
You should have still wore since you wanted to tan.
I know, I should have worn
You should have worn your new one that you brought. That like
the orange one.
Yeah. That's a good tanning one. That's like your naked or whatever.
We didn't bring towels. Oh wait, only Abby.
Only Abby did, yo. That's what we did.
Okay, you guys, I'll talk to you later. You guys were here. I don't remember. I've been here before, but I don't remember this part. Like what?
That's so cute. Look how cool. You. I can't swim right there because I'm gonna drown.
Oh yeah, weird. It's deep.
It's over here. I wanna.
Okay, you guys, so we're here. Look. How do you know which side?
That side goes up.
That side goes up?
Yeah. Hope yeah, baby.
Huh?
Good thing we found this nice little shade area.
Yeah.
There's a lot of shade.
Yeah, go touch the water.
But I need my sunscreen first.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Oh, sunburn.
I know. Wait. Uh-oh. Hope yeah, baby.
Why? Oh,
Oh, the sand is kind of hot.
Yeah. When you go on the sand, so hot.
This will give no snakes.
Huh?
Let's hope there's no snakes.
No. Maybe.
Those clams are eaten or they're from the ocean?
They're from the ocean.
Oh, so they ate them? They ate them?
Yeah, that's fine.
So they ate them?
Okay, you guys, I'm
ate
about
them?
to eat because I haven't ate. So
Yeah.
we brought sandwiches. We'll show you in a little bit.
Yep.
Okay, you guys, so I brought some sandwich, my little snack.
And we bought some,
Here's our snacks.
Yeah.
We have Lunchables, drinks, water,
yeah.
hot
I wanna
Cheetos.
go swimming now. I'm gonna go swimming.
And Abby's about to go swimming already.
I hope the water's not that cold.
Yeah, maybe it's not. The water's cold?
Yeah. Not that cold. Yeah. Are you gonna get in the water, Mom?
Yeah, maybe later.
Can I go in the water later too?
Yeah. For about a year or two now. It's so little. She's trying to swim. It's so hot, you guys. I'm sweating. Jennifer's already eating her sandwich. I think I'm gonna eat mine too because I'm a little hungry. ¿Está caliente?
Huh?
Is the floor hot?
No, not that hot. Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah. I saw some water around the water.
Oh yeah.
Not in the water though. Come on, fill the water, Mom.
Okay.
Touch it. Touch it. Like in the ocean. You're so warm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You should have brought your swimsuit. It feels really cold, really like nice.
Yeah, really good. It's really nice. Fun. I can put things in my face. I'm gonna have my goggles. Where are my goggles? Wait.
For your sandwich.
If those splatter signs, if the drop those splatter signs.
You need to use wet sand
Why?
to make the sand castle.
Really? That's how it is? Oh, yeah.
Not dry sand.
Because then it's going to...
Put a little water in there, yeah.
Put water and then sand.
A mixture with more sand.
Mark. Mix it with water.
Mix it with more sand.
Abby, you getting a tan?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so we've been here for a while. As you guys can see, it's getting a little bit darker. Swim to your mom, show them.
Huh? Go swim to my mom. I can swim over there.
Faster, faster. Good job.
Good job. Wow.
Watch, guys. I can do something special for you guys. Let me watch this thing. Whoa. Watch, guys. Let me show you something. And I can do this. I can do this, guys. And I can do this. Yeah. Watch, guys. I get to swim all the way to there.
Hey guys, so it's a few days later. I actually wanted to show you guys a quick TJ Maxx haul. I actually just went to TJ Maxx like 2 days ago. So yeah, it was like 2 days ago. So I was like, you know what, I have to show you guys because I love what I got, and I feel like maybe if you guys like it, you guys can definitely get it because there was a bunch of things, a lot of good things. So I was like, this will be a great TJ Maxx haul. So yeah, let me show you guys. so first of all, you guys have to see these. I was like, should I get it? Should I not? But I have to get it. I have to get it. How cute are these? These are wine glasses, you guys, different colors. I'm not sure if in camera, I think in camera it looks a little bit darker, the colors. But they're actually like very light colors. And I love how they're glass as well, you guys. So I cannot wait to use these. Super, super cute. Like, I love them. They're very fun, especially, you know, for like right now, the summer, or even like all year round, you know. But yeah, you guys, I love these. I definitely needed like new wine glasses because all the ones I buy, they always like break. So hopefully these do not break because I love all the colors. But yeah, you guys, I got this for $14.99 and a set of 4. Super cute. And I also got this cute mug, you guys. How cute is this? Super, super cute. It's like clear and it's glass, but it's like a different type of glass, you guys, because it's super thick. I'm not sure what you would call this. But I don't know how to describe it. But yeah, it's like glass, but also like super thick. So I feel like this would not break easily, you know, because it's thick. I feel like it's kind of like plastic slash glass. That's how it feels. And it came with this cute little top, you guys. Like, perfect. So I bought this one actually to use it at work because the one I had over there, it broke. So I was like, yeah, I don't really want like a glass one, you know, something that's gonna break quick. So I feel like this will be perfect, you guys. Super cute. I love this. And this was $6.99. Super cute. Love it. And then guess what, you guys? I had to get this. Can you tell what it is? Cute little top. This is actually a candle, you guys. Look. So this is actually a white pumpkin candle. Like, I feel like it's perfect for fall, you guys. I love the colors, the decor. It's like a brownish tan color. And this cute top. It's magnetic. And this is how the candle looks like. But literally smells like fall. Like pumpkin. Smells so good. I can't wait to use this, you guys. So cute. Super, super cute. Makes me want to decorate for fall already. Or makes me want to use it actually already. Like how cute it is. So cute. And this was $7.99. Super cute, you guys. I have to show you guys this. Super, super cute. Look at this, you guys. This is a freaking, what is this called? A 3-piece set. I had to get this one, you guys. Super cute. Like, look at it. Like, the colors are just perfect. It's like a tan. It's kind of like the candle, actually. I feel like it matches with the candle. It's like a tan color. It's not white. It's like a tan with brown leaves, like flowers. So I feel like it's super cute, and it's a 3 set. It comes with the covers. I mean, like the cover and then the pillow covers. But yeah, you guys, I had to get this because I don't have any that's like print, if you guys know what I mean. Because the one I have is all white or all gray. So I was like, you know what, I had to get this. And this was only $60, you guys. Literally $60. So I was like, yeah, definitely have to get it. But yeah, you guys, that's all I got for TJ Maxx. It literally makes me want to decorate for fall. I feel like the covers are perfect. And even the candle matches the covers. Like, what? And I didn't even realize. Like, how cute is that? Super cute. with the cute little mug and the wine glasses. Like, I cannot wait to use those. But yeah, you guys, literally makes me want to decorate for fall. Like, I literally want to. I want to go back to the store and see what else they have for fall, and hopefully maybe I can make a fall decor soon. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let me know what you guys have been doing this summer. Let me know if you guys have any other plans coming up for, you know, before the summer ends. It's literally about to end, like one more month, I think. Yeah, one more month. That's crazy. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.